Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can add dividers to your pages and work items in the Plane Project Management app. So let us guide you through this. So guys, this works with pages within your workspace. What you want to do is navigate to your page here in your Plane workspace. Let me go with that page here. And what you want to do, guys, is simply access a new line here. And let's say you would like to place the divider here, like a horizontal one. So this is how you can do it. There are two options. Option number one, you simply enter the command /divider or di. Select that from that suggestion here, and that is going to add a divider, as you can see here, with that upper and lower section. That's option number one, guys. If you prefer another option, you may simply use the following command. Simply press the dash button on your keyboard 3 times, and that is going to automatically convert these dashes into a horizontal divider like this. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.